Hello patients of Haresfield and Kempsey surgeries. My name is Joanna and I'm a practice nurse based primarily here at Haresfield Surgery. We thought it would be helpful to explain in a bit more detail what is going to be happening this year for patients that would like a seasonal flu vaccine. Due to the current situation with COVID-19, we are going to have to deliver these appointments in a slightly different way to normal. There is still some information and detail that we are due to be updated about from NHS England with regards to additional flu vaccine supplies and offering it to patients over 50 who would not normally be invited for the vaccine. We do know that these patients will not be invited for a vaccine until at least November or December. What we have been told to do is to start this flu season by planning and inviting eligible patients in for their jab as soon as we can. We have staggered deliveries of the vaccines arriving, meaning that our clinics this year will be spread from the end of September and through the majority of October. These clinics are dependent on the vaccine deliveries arriving on time, which is out of our control. Flu clinics on Saturdays will still be going ahead. We will be contacting patients in the next couple of weeks by text or letter to ask whether you would like a flu jab this year. Then we will book a time slot in one of the available clinics for you and confirm this via text or phone. Our clinics will be running differently to ensure that social distancing and necessary infection control measures are in place to keep all patients and staff safe. This means when you attend for the vaccine, there will be a walk-through one-way system in place and the appointment will just be for your vaccine. No other services will be available on these Saturday sessions. We are doing this to limit contact time and reduce any risks associated with coronavirus as set out in Public Health and NHS England guidance. Because of this, our main flu clinics will be at Haresfield Surgery due to the limitations of space at Kempsey Surgery. We strongly urge Kempsey patients that do want a vaccine to come to a clinic at Haresfield when invited during the earlier winter months. It may be, and is of course dependent on the local COVID situation, that we have smaller clinics at Kempsey later in the year, but this is not guaranteed at the moment. On the day of your appointment, we ask that you come prepared, wearing a short sleeve top under your layers, and let us know in advance if you have any mobility problems. Please wait for us to contact you about your flu appointment. The reception team won't be able to book flu jabs into normal clinic slots. These can only be given in designated flu clinics. This is to ensure we have the stock available and can prioritise eligible patients as appropriate. We will include further information and guidance about attending for a flu vaccine with the confirmation of your appointment date and time. As always, if you or a member of your household have any symptoms of coronavirus on the day of your appointment, then you must not attend the practice. If you are housebound and unable to attend the surgery, then as per the usual process, we will be in touch to make arrangements for you to have your flu vaccine at home, or you could make us aware of this when we initially invite you for an appointment. As for our day-to-day way of working, please refer to Dr. Crookall's message from July, which outlines the current arrangements in place for our services. We will be in touch when any further changes to our services may need to take place. Thank you for your continued understanding in these very different times. Stay safe.